Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Cut the Rope application to its latest version. First of all, make sure to open up the Google Play Store or App Store on your device and then in the search bar type in Cut the Rope. Once you search for the application, from the search result, look for the Cut the Rope application that you've installed on your device, and once you get to this page, check if there is an update button available. If not, that means your application is already installed to the latest version. If you see an update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest release. If you want to enable auto update for the application so that you don't want to miss out to the latest versions, go to the top right corner from the same page and click the three dots. Now click on the box that says Enable Auto Update, and whenever there is an update available for the game, the app will be automatically updated to the latest version. So that's how you easily update the Cut the Rope application for latest features, bug fixes, and compatibility with your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.